channel. I have some summer night out outfits for you guys. I had some planned and they didn't turn out. And then in this video, you'll see that one didn't turn out the way that I thought it was, but it was cute from the front, so I show you guys anyways. Yeah, it was a journey, to say the least. So if you're seeing this, that means I was able to salvage something from all of this. Please, if not, then, well, I guess it doesn't matter. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get into these outfits. If you would like to see other outfits, style videos, what other fashion style content do you want to see from me? Let me know. I feel like I'm getting a little repetitive, so what do you want from me? Let me know. Okay, I love you guys so much, and let's get into the video. Hi guys, so for the first outfit, this is one of my go-tos. I love this. So I have this tank on that's actually from the brand called Venus, and it's double lined, so you don't have to wear a bra with it. Just threw on some cute blue jeans from Good American and just paired it off with some very simple heels, and then just matched my heels to my belt and my bag. And then of course I went with some gold accessories because I also have gold detailing on the bag and the belt. It's so simple, but it's so cute. So if you are going out and you want to feel still comfortable, this is a good easy go-to, super casual. You can really wear this to anything, to be honest, and feel dressed up but not too overdressed if that's your vibe. I love this. This is truly one of my go-tos any time of year. Now for my second outfit, it's pretty similar to the last one, just switched up the top. I feel like the tank vibe is just it's very casual, whereas with this like girlier, more like romantic style top, it's more like flirty and fun and girly, obviously. The sleeves on this, you can pull them down or leave them up on the shoulders. With how much like belly I'm showing, I'd prefer to have the shoulders up, but if I was wearing different bottoms or something like that, then I would pull the shoulders down. But yeah, it's literally the same outfit, just a different top. I love this. This looks a little more dressy than the last one, obviously. Yeah, it's just cute. Literally, I feel like this outfit is the same as the last one, but it looks so different because the top just totally gave it a different vibe. Does that make sense? Now, you guys, I have actually had this two-piece set from Fashion Nova for, I don't know, 3 years now, maybe a little over 3 years, but I love this because it is so simple. The color is beautiful, but it makes a statement with the way that it hugs your body. With the little peekaboo back and the ruching on the booty, it makes your butt look amazing. And for summer, this is perfect. So if you want to wear something little, but you still want to feel covered, I'm covered in all the right places. My butt's not going to hang out. My boobs aren't going to hang out, but I feel elegant and classy and stunning, and I know my body look good. You know what I mean? We all want that one outfit that you put on and you're like, you know what? I'm covered, but I look amazing. Like, you still feel hot in this kind of an outfit. You know what I'm saying? Now, I have a very similar one. This one is just a long bodycon ruched dress. I usually don't go for a dress that has like all the bunching like this. This is also from Venus, but I don't know what it was about this one. The color just got me. I kind of feel like a shrimp. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I just think it's so stunning for summer. Again, this look is very simple, but it makes a statement because of the color, the way that it fits. And yes, you are fully covered, but guess what? Look at how it hugs you. It hugs all the right curves. Also, for a woman who has more curves than me, this is going to look insane on your body. That's the one thing when I was wearing this, I was like, damn, I wish I had a little more hip for this dress because I can't even imagine how good that would look on you. And now, you guys, this final one, I got so bummed because I forgot that the back was totally open like this when I put it on, so you can see the bra, which isn't cute, but I love the way it looked from the front, so I just wanted to show it off anyways. So I just went with this long sleeve top is actually super thin, which is why I put the bralette underneath it because I like the way it peeks out in the front. Paired it with some jean shorts, just went with some cute little nude strappy heels, and then I just throw a purse on with it and you're good to go. This is so cute, especially towards like the end of summer when it's still really warm out, but you kind of want to be a little covered at nighttime, you know what I mean? This is very much me, and I'm TikTok dancing. Of course I am. Why wouldn't I be, you know? I have that TikTok song stuck in my head. Hi, I'm Kim Kardashian West. I'm gonna cry my diamond earring. I've also had too much caffeine today. I've had coffee, I've had Celsius. I'm like, the AC turned on. That's my cue to stop talking. So I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you didn't, thanks for watching anyway. I love you guys so much. Let me know what else you would like to see from me. Like I said, I love you. I love you, okay? Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok. Okay, I gotta go. I love you guys so much. Bye.